Tired of blurry smartphone photos and weak zoom? The Kodak PIXPRO FZ 55-BK is your simple solution. The Kodak PIXPRO FZ 55-BK digital camera is designed for people who want clear photos, real zoom, and easy video recording without dealing with complicated professional cameras. With its 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, this compact camera captures sharp, colorful images perfect for travel, family moments, and everyday photography. The 5x optical zoom lens lets you get closer to your subject without losing image quality, something most smartphone digital zooms struggle to do. Need to record videos for YouTube, travel vlogs, or social media? This camera records 1080p Full HD video, helping beginners create smooth and clear content with ease. The 28mm wide-angle lens makes it easier to capture group photos, landscapes, and indoor scenes, while the 2.7-inch LCD screen allows you to frame and review your shots instantly. Why it solves common photography problems. No more blurry digital zoom photos, easy controls for beginners, lightweight and travel-friendly design, affordable alternative to expensive cameras, perfect for beginners, vloggers, and casual photographers. Whether you're traveling, creating content, or capturing everyday memories, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ 55-BK gives you a simple, reliable camera that gets the job done. Capture better moments without complicated gear, like comment, share if you love simple photography tools.